Do you want to know how to make these stunning nails? Well, I'm about to show you, but first let's get into what we need for this set. White gel polish, glossy top coat, and I have no idea how to say it. I believe it's Madalones. I don't know. But anyways, we're going to be needing their pearl gel colors. I believe that they come in a pack together, and we're going to be using all of the colors as shown here for this nail set. And we will also be needing a dotting tool, as well as charm tweezers, and some shiny pearl charms in different sizes. For natural nails, grab base coat. And now that we're ready, we are going to start the process of making this beautiful nail set by starting with a base layer of white. I personally like to do this because it makes the pearl gel polishes really shine and their individual colors really shine through, especially because pearl gel polish is more transparent and see-through, which is the point and I love. But when I really want the individual colors to pop, I will do a base coat of white. So we only need one layer of white, and then once we cure that, we can move on to the next steps. Now we are going to grab our darkest pearl color, which is the 2380, I believe. And because again, they are more transparent and sheer, as you will see, though they are so stunning, you can really see how the white makes them come more to life. We will be doing maybe 3 or 4 layers of this so that we can really get a sparkly purple base, which is what we want for this nail set. And man, something that can be so annoying is when you get fuzzies in the polish even when you have gloves on, and sometimes it can be a pain to get out. But if that is the case, just try to scrape it out and then just paint back over the other areas. Alright, so now our last layer we are actually going to leave uncured, and we're going to make it a little thinner because we want a liquid base when we add our other colors. Now we're going to grab our other Modelone Pearl Gel colors. Doesn't really matter what order you go in. You can see the order I go in as I add the other colors to the nail. But you'll see here, really, you don't even have to take another nail art brush or anything. You can just add dots wherever you feel like they should be on the nail, leaving some space of the purple base in between each dot for each different color. But basically just spotting where you feel the different shades of the pearl gel should go. And as you can see, we're just going to keep doing that until we feel it's just right. And we're going to add all of the other colors aside from the purple to the nail, and then we're going to bring it all together after that. And now we're going to take our dotting tool and we are going to swirl these beautiful colors together to really bring that pearl gel effect to life. And don't swirl it too much so it will become muddy and each individual color will get lost, but swirl it enough so that you can see the depth of each color and really bring that unicorn coloring to life. And look at how gorgeous and ethereal that is, but we're not done yet. So we're going to cure it, and then we are going to do the really fun part, even though I cannot stop looking at this. These are so stinking pretty. We are going to now take our little pearl gems with our 3D sculpting gel. You can also use a top coat if you don't really want to glue these down, or if you don't have 3D sculpting gel. But I just use this when I remember to, because sometimes I forget, and obviously you can tell I put way too much on, but when you put top coat on, it will kind of blend it in and you don't have to really worry about it. And it doesn't matter the pattern that you do with your pearl gems. Just basically put them wherever you feel will look best and will look good to you. Now, after we cure our gems, we are going to go in with our glossy top coat and we are going to seal it all in, which will also bring the pearl gel more to life as well as the sparkles. And we're just going to really try to coat all of the pearl gems so that everything is really covered in the top coat. You don't have to necessarily do a lot, but if you do start out with a lot, that way you might be able to get around all of the pearl gems evenly, and then you can take off excess later. And if because of your gems your top coat isn't looking as smooth as you would like it to, my little trick is I just turn it upside down and it helps it level it and make it more smooth. And that is literally it once we cure it. I mean, look at how stunning and gorgeous these are. These really are giving unicorn and ethereal vibes to me. I'm definitely an ethereal girl, so these are my kind of nails. And I love them so much. I mean, you can see the shift in the different colors, as well as the depth that the pearl gel really adds. I'm obsessed with these, and I love them so much. They are just absolutely stunning to look at. I can literally look at them all day, every day probably. But yeah, that is it, guys. And I really hope that you liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any nail suggestions for me, please leave them in the comments, or let me know what your favorite nail set is so far.